friends, and welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Jeanette Andromeda, and today is episode 6 of my Road Trip Across America series, where we go to Austin, Texas, and I discover my inner fairy princess while shopping in a boot store. What I wanted to do was to create a character design based on these amazing cowboy boots that I bought. I mean, they're sparkly eyelet lace design cut out of leather and studs and just, I literally have never owned such fancy shoes before in my life. I wanted to make a character based on these boots. So that's what we're doing today, making a fairy princess to go with these boots. So I just wanted to share this hotel room with you because it is super bizarre. The floor is like vinyl, and all of this stuff in the room just totally feels like a retro RV. We made it to Geronimo! It's the world's largest petrified tree that we know of. He's not a petrified tree though. Basically, these are ancient trees that have calcified and turned into rock. That's amazing. This thing is huge. Hey Alex, can you get just like a picture of me next to it to see what the scale is? Now in Austin. We're gonna have some breakfast. Yay! Oh, traffic up ahead. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe for more arty adventures of all sorts in the future. And do me a favor, go check out my store because I may need to sell a few prints to actually afford these boots that I bought. Go check it out. It's in the description below. Next week we are going to New Orleans, Louisiana, where a lot of shenanigans happened and we found the horse. We go with the fairy princess. We found a fairy horse. We found a unicorn. It was weird. I'm excited to share it with you. Bye! Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, yeah.